Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer, this is not financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in RIOT blockchain technology. Okay, let's jump right into it. So we have big news here from RIOT. First, check the chart. So RIOT, since the big drop here we had with all these crypto companies and with Bitcoin too, it's recovering here since mid of May and looks very strong. Also, RIOT is the miner with the biggest market cap, as I'm aware of, with 3.2 billion US dollars. Okay, so why are the investors trusting RIOT? First of all, they have a very good strategy, a good business plan, and they're mining a lot of Bitcoin. So in June, they mined 243 Bitcoins, a huge increase from on a year-to-year base. They are now hodling 2,243 Bitcoins. So compared to Mara, which is the biggest competitor right now for RIOT, Mara mined approximately 22 Bitcoins more. So they were at 265 BTC in June, and they're hodling more. I mean, Mara is right now close to 6,000. But yeah, the market cap of RIOT is better. I think a part of this could be the ESG stuff, because RIOT is using a lot of hydroelectricity in Messina, New York, up there. And in Texas, they're building this facility, which will be also powered a lot by renewables. What are they saying here? So first of all, here they say, okay, the China crackdown on Bitcoin mining gives a big opportunity, and they're mining a lot of Bitcoins right now. They say here, the hash rate will take a while to get back to 180 exahash. We know that we are right now at 96 exahash, so approximately half of it where we were 1 or 2 months ago. So that's very interesting. So in this calculation here with 1.6 exahash, RIOT is right now mining 14.4 BTC a day, which is a big number. These calculations here are always a little bit too high. We have seen this in the past. So I'm calculating like 12 or 13 Bitcoins a day, which is also a very big number. Let's move on. What's also great to hear is that they want to make a big expansion. I mean, they bought this Whinestone facility in Rockdale, Texas, and 300 megawatt are already built out here, and they want to add another 400 megawatts here, to get to 700 megawatts in total. And 400 megawatts means you can power 130,000 S19J and miners. They want to have it in Q2 2022, so that's a fast expansion here. But yeah, gonna be interesting. What's Mara? What's the response from Marathon? Because they're always battling a little bit, which one has the biggest capacity and the highest hash rate and so on. And at the end of this month, they want to have 76 megawatts and 2.4 exahash. I mean, they said this also last month, so it seems like all the miners have right now delays in delivery from Bitmain, and I think from other manufacturers too. But here this is obvious, but it would be nice to have it this month, the 2.4 exahash. That would be great. The miners, the 51 megawatts they are deployed right now, they're all located in the CoinMint facility in Messina, New York. But from now, the new miners will be all located in Texas. Okay, so let's go a little bit into detail. We have the Whinestone facility. So we have Rockdale here. This is the city here. And we have this Alcoa aluminum smelter here. Huge facility here, uses a lot of electricity too. I mean, these kind of plants, they're using 300, 400 megawatts. And we can see the big substation here, electricity substation. But we have another electricity substation here, a big one, 400 meters long here. And yeah, here's the Whinestone facility. I mean, on Google Earth you cannot see the buildings because it's an old picture here, but here there should be these 3 buildings, and here's the room for expansion. So this should be here. I can show you how it looks like right now. So these are the 3 buildings, 300 megawatt. So each building here has 100 megawatt with this transformers here for low voltage. We have here, we can see one guy here. You can see how big this is. I mean, these are 300, 400, 500 meters here. And yeah, each one has 100 megawatt. What's also very interesting, what we can see here on the 3rd building here, it looks like there's immersion cooling. So in this one here, these 2 not, but here it seems like they're building immersion cooling here. So I mean, that makes a lot of sense for Texas. And we have also another type of building. Looks like they don't need that much air sucking in and out. So that's why the building looks different, but they need a lot of immersion cooling here. They need a lot of liquid here, so that's not cheap, that's for sure. But it makes sense for these high temperatures in Texas. So the other 51 megawatts sorry, are located in Messina, New York here. This is at the St. Lawrence stream. There's a big hydropower plant here, 1 gigawatt up there. So there's a lot of hydropower, and the miners are hosted here in this facility. I don't know exactly where, but CoinMint, the company, they transformed this old Alcoa plant into a Bitcoin mining center. That's where the miners are. So some people are saying, okay, 243 megawatt, 204 bitcoins. It should be more because of the huge difficulty drop. But what you can see here at the difficulty chart, the big drop of the difficulty came in July. There is 27% drop. So July should be a lot higher, these numbers. The hash rate right now at 96 exahash. So it's growing very slow here from the bottom here at 667 exahash. So it will take a while for these China miners to find new locations and to get online again. The next difficulty drop is estimated at -9 to -6%. So July is going to be a huge month for all Bitcoin miners in the world. So difficulty could drop to 13. What would be huge. Okay, so these are the numbers right now, 14 Bitcoins a day. At the end of the month with 2.4 exahash, it should be around 20 Bitcoins a day. And with additional Bitcoin difficulty drop, it could be at 22 Bitcoins a day or something like this. Power is going to be like 72 megawatts. Revenue is going to be huge here at $700,000 a day. Yeah, I mean, and when we are talking about 750 megawatt with the expansion they want to build out next year in Texas, so we're gonna have something like 7 buildings here. So now we have 3, then we have 7. Where is it? Here. So they will build additional 4 buildings here. I think with immersion cooling. Yeah, that's gonna be something like 20 exahash if they put all their own miners in. I mean, they're talking about also hosting some miners there. I think they will do it for a time until they have all the new miners. Yeah, I mean, right now that would be 180 Bitcoins a day. That's approximately 20% of the total Bitcoin network hash rate right now. Yeah, the hash rate will obviously grow. Until then, the difficulty will grow, but I mean, that's a huge potential. It would be right now $5.9 million a day, a huge cash flow, huge revenue, and very low cost because of this efficient miner and the low difficulty. So of course the difficulty will go up and the revenue in BTC will go down, but I think the revenue in US dollars is more likely to rise than to drop, because I think the price of Bitcoin is right now very low, in my opinion. So the price should rise faster than the difficulty if we're still in a bull run. Okay, so that's the little RIOT blockchain update. Stock is doing very good expansion plans, very solid mining company, and yeah, they have always good news for us. So yeah, let's see how this all plays out. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.